Hi, my name is Joseph Louis Gay Lussac. I was born on December 6, 1778, in Saint Léonard de Noblat, France. My father, Mr. Gay, was a well-off lawyer. However, he was part of a political and social upheaval, also known as the French Revolution, that landed him in the slammer. Papa! Papa! After seeing that tragedy, I went into a devastating spiral, heading one direction. Betty! As soon as I arrived in Paris, I really hit the books and excelled in everything. Eventually, I became a chemist. One of my discoveries includes the element boron. I created it by combining boric acid with potassium. Here's a reenactment of what roughly happened. Wait, what is that? If it wasn't for this discovery, we wouldn't have many things such as silly putty, fireworks, water softeners, and many more products.
Another discovery made by Gay-Lussac was that he formulated three gas laws. Gay-Lussac discovered Charles' law and published it using unpublished work made by Jacques Charles in 1802. Because Charles acted as a guideline to Gay-Lussac named the law after Charles to assure proper credit. As you can see, this is Charles' law. V1 over T1 equals V2 over T2, where V is volume and T is temperature. Charles discovered this when he found that oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and air expand to the same extent over the same 80-degree interval. If this marvelous breakthrough was not discovered, we would not know that temperature and volume are directly related. The second law that Gay-Lussac discovered is the law of combining volumes. This law states that the volumes of gases in a chemical reaction are present in the ratio of small integers. Gay-Lussac conducted an experiment in 1808 with hydrogen dioxide that proved for every 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen is used. Without this law, we wouldn't know how much of a substance we need to react with another substance in order for a successful chemical reaction to take place. The last law that Gay-Lussac discovered is the Gay-Lussac law. As you can see, this is Gay-Lussac's law, where P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2, where P is pressure and T is temperature. This law was discovered in 1802, and without it, we wouldn't know that there's a direct relationship between pressure and temperature.
My last major discovery was when I devised a system by which alcohol can be measured through volume. It was a scale that I created that all countries could refer to if they were seeking information on different alcohols or alcoholic beverages. Now here's a rough reenactment of how the scale was used in everyday life.
Say, good man, what proof is this?
Well, I believe this is 24.
Oh, I know exactly what that means, thanks to Gay-Lussac!
Probably the biggest historical event that happened during my lifetime was the French Revolution. This took place from 1789 to the late 1790s and affected my father greatly. When he was in prison for political and social uprisings, I fled to Paris. It had a major impact on my life, and if it wasn't for it, I probably wouldn't be a chemist today.
Another revolution that greatly impacted Gay-Lussac's life was the chemical revolution. This was a big time for inventors, innovators, and scientists because of all the new discoveries. Scientists changed the practice and concepts of chemistry by forging a new series of laboratory analyses that would bring order to the chaotic centuries of Greek philosophy and medieval alchemy. New experiments were discovered, new elements were discovered, and more great minds were discovered, like that of Gay-Lussac's.
The scientist Avogadro was a big player during my time period. He came up with the Avogadro's number, or the Avogadro's constant, which is used in science a lot today. Avogadro is a very credible scientist, and him, Boyle, and myself make up the 3 gas laws that I think you guys talked about in class.
Joseph Louis Gay Lussac was a well-respected scientist. Without him, there would be no gas laws, no boron, or universal way to measure alcohol by volume. So even though not many people know of him, the name Joseph Louis Gay Lussac will live on forever because of his contributions to the scientific community.
I love Skittles. Oh, excuse. It's 12 o'clock, Miss Krause. This is your fault.
I wanted to say something like
It's going in the bloopers. Oh, let's get this thing started.
Matt,
No,
come on, dude, let's go.
I am an actor. You are a supporter. Leave me alone. All right, ready? Go.
Dad! I'm home!
No.
Say, good Matt.
It's a blooper.
Okay.